Hey, I'm Nicole here. All right, so this is going to be our follow-up for the Coily Custard by Miss Jessie. This has agave and coconut oil in it. It comes off like a very light gel, but it does have that cloudy color that you have become accustomed to with custards across the board, and it's pretty good, okay? It promises maximum definition, amazing shine, and it says it eliminates shrinkage. Now, that, my friend, I have tons of shrinkage, okay? As for definition, I have some decent definition, all right? And the shine, I don't know about the shine, but I like the product, okay? If you saw the application of it earlier, it applied well, but I wanted to let you know that this is what my hair looked like prior to putting in the actual custard. And the reason it looked like that is because I put the K18 in, which is a bond treatment, a repair treatment, and it kind of like pre-prepped my curls, you know, so they were already starting to curl. So I just wanted to let you guys know that, just in case that had some kind of a major effect on how this gel, this custard actually operated, all right? But I love the custard. I do have tons of shrinkage, so if your hair is shorter than mine, and mine is pretty short, it's gonna be even shorter. But nonetheless, never fear, it is quite beautiful. It is fluffy, and it is pretty much a very soft hold. Like, it's very soft. All right, so this is what we're working with. This is what it looks like, the finished product. I hope you guys can see that. So I have some decent definition going on. All right. I'm sorry, I'm moving kind of slow and speaking kind of slow because I am exhausted, okay? Early to bed, early to rise, and I find myself getting up at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning because I have love on the brain, right? So with that being said, I'm just not functional. I'm not functional this hour. Let me tell you, it's probably about what, 8 o'clock, but I'm like shutting down. All right. Yeah, but with that being said, the custard is great. I like it. I like the fluff. I like the way it looks. I like the way it feels. And I think this product works well for a 4-type hair. Okay, so if you were curious about this one, I think this one has fared well for me as a 4-typer over the Pillow Soft ones. The Pillow Soft ones really don't do anything for me. You know, it's just a waste of time. But so far, so good. This custard is thumbs up, all right? It ranges in price maybe about $12 to $15. You know, you might catch it on sale at Target or Walmart. And it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It'll probably give you, like, if you have short hair, like 2 styles. All right, because the product's about halfway, you know. So that's not bad, right? It's not bad at all. Anyway, it's Nicola. Thanks for joining me. As always, love you much, and consider subscribing and join me again. Till then, ciao.